Right, here we go. Franklin's house. RPGs. Let the fighting commence. Get in there. Have that. Oh, you fucker. This is gonna be mental. Oh fuck! I killed myself. I haven't got any kills yet. I just killed myself twice. Oh, you fucker! As soon as I spawned. Oh, you. I know it's you, Redmond. As soon as I spawned, you fucked me up. Oh, I killed myself again. This is mental. Oh fuck! As soon as I spawned, I haven't even got a kill yet. Oh, I killed myself again. Fuck's that! I keep killing myself. I keep running into fire as well. Oh, you fuck! Who was that? I'm shit at this. How have I not even got a kill? Yes, get in! I got a kill. And that was you, Redmond. Yes, I got another kill. Get in there, have that. Right, finally, I'm not lost. Get in there, I killed him. Oh well, he killed me, but still. Oh, you fucker! Where the fuck did he come from? How the fuck did I not kill him? What? Who the fuck? Oh. Get in there. I've got a kill. Oh, what? As soon as he spawned, he fucked me. As soon as he spawned, he fucked me. Oh, what? Some guy just died and then rebounded and hit me. Oh, I killed myself again. Oh, for God's sake, I bet that was... Yeah, I thought that was you. Yeah. How the hell did I not kill him? I literally shot right next to him. I'm doing so shit. I ended someone's kill streak. This is mental. Oh, what? I bet. I thought that was you then. Oh, I killed you. I didn't notice that I killed you. Oh, but who was that? Oh. That's you then. That's you. That's you. How what? I was aiming the rocket launchers like one place and it was shooting up. That's you. That's you. Oh, I thought that was you. Oh, you wanker. This is mental. Oh, what? How did I kill you but not myself? How the hell have you got 12 kills? I mean, how the hell have I got 7 kills? That came out wrong. I didn't mean to say that. I meant to say, how the hell have I got less kills than? I mean, how the hell? Whatever. Did I kill you? I got a 5th. That was quite a mental match.